2.5 mega hashes. There's only 3 vehicles. How am I doing this? I have no idea. Oh my god. I'm kidding, I know. I'm not gonna show you how I overclock. Haha. Make sure you use Windows 8. That's a must. That's another egg. This is the one I'm working on. Area 51 case. Yeah. Do not use Windows 7. Just a heads up. Stupid, annoying. Either use Linux or Windows 8.